Guys, remember the month of November or December if you're preparing for CAT or IPMAT. Because while everybody is waiting for motivation, distractions, or a perfect study plan, remember that somebody is already putting in efforts. Success doesn't come occasionally from what you do, it does come from what you do every single day. Every mock you attempt, every RC you solve, and every time you choose discipline over comfort. Because that's where the real percentile is built. Let's be clear. Cat doesn't care about your excuses. It doesn't care if you're tired. It doesn't care that your friends are ahead of you. And it doesn't care how many hours you plan to study. The exam rewards just one thing, and that is relentless preparation. You know what is the real difference between a dreamer and an I am convert? The first one wishes and others work. When the alarm rings at 6 a.m., when the mock scores break your confidence, and when everybody quits for the day, you do that one more question, that one more mock, and that one more hour of study. Please remember, the pain of discipline weighs ounces, while the pain of regret weighs tons. So decide today, will you spend your next 5 months making excuses or making a history? Because November is not one in November. It's one today. CAT 2026 IPMAT is not a dream anymore. It's a mission. So now, get back to the work and see you at the